Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to type automatically on your Windows 10 PC Notepad. So friends, to type automatically on Notepad, firstly open Notepad. Now type this script and you type your word, sentence or letter. In here I wrote hello to my channel Tech Pro Advice. You can change from here any word or letter, and also friends you can type any sentence or word instead this letter. So after typing this script, and friends, if you need this script, so visit my site techproadvice.blogspot.com auto.html. So you will find this script in here. After typing or copy paste this script, click on file, then save. Now give any name like test.vbs. You must type VBS in the last. You need to type this extension .vbs, then click on save. Now close it and open this script. So as we can see, this is written automatically. That's it. So hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching.